It's... Oh god. So good. Where is it taking me? Why? No. This guy's inspired. He's inspired by a YouTuber. Help me! No! Oh god, the grinder! Oh god, activate. No! God. Hello? Well, that's the last time we can see corn. Attention, guys. There is a monster, a weird-looking creature called the Boiled One. The Boiled One. It is near red. It is near blue. It is near Blue Highway. It's just made up, guys. It's a made up neighborhood. What? That's where we are. Blue Highway. Yes, this would probably stay safe. But how? You have to lock your doors, obviously. Okay. I see it. What? I am the boiled one. I would be sleeping right now. I want to destroy things right now. I am hungry. Oh god. Ha! Yeah. It's destroying our car! Be quiet, guys. Oh god, I hear the smoke. Did I just hear someone? Dude. Oh god. I see someone that is red. I'm gonna destroy this car. And then now I need to destroy that town. Oh god. Run, guys. Run. We don't have a car though. No what? I don't care. Come on. Why do you look like me? Why you look like me? Oh, I did because of my leaf. Come on, guys. Oh, I hear someone. Who is it? Hide, guys. Hide, you say? That's what you get. Huh? Where are they? What's that? I am the boiled one. Who are you? What the heck? That's going to the back rooms. What the? We have to do it. What do you want? I just want to say hi, okay? Why is there? I was hungry. I needed more hungry. I'm hungry. Oh, you're hungry? Yes. I have cake. It has berries. It's good for you too. It has protein actually. I don't need a dumb cake, okay? Ugh. What? Get that out. Splatter. Where are you? Please, I was just being nice. Melon? Corn? I mean, melon? Pumpkin corn? Where? Pumpkin apple? Where's corn? Oh, you don't know why I did what the grinder did to him. Yeah. Come here. Oh God. I told you guys, it is here in your house. Who are you? You're spotting me, didn't you? Ow! Dude, lost control. I don't know what I just said. I don't like him. Yeah. Burger? Where are you? Don't worry about your dad. Where are you? Burger, burger. What do you mean? That's what you get. Yeah. The grinder. Hey, stop it right there, boiled one. Or I will shoot you. Who are you? Why are you here? Sure, guys, doesn't have sound, that's why. Kill. The boiled one wins now. Sure, I got to get my OC here. Well, guys, if you enjoyed this video, then hit that subscribe button. I'm not going to see you, but if you want, you can. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh, God.